It's a real life cattle drive. This was our wake up call today. I don't know why they're making so much noise. Look at them down here stopping traffic. Let's go see what's going on. Looks like a fun job. Looks like a really fun job. What do you think, Nora? Are there cows everywhere? You watching the cows? How's it going? Morning. Hey, no, you're okay. You're okay.
Where are you headed?
We're headed east. We're just camping overnight on the creek.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, down there. Hey, how far you guys gotta go?
Up above that big current over here.
Okay.
A couple miles down the canyon. There's an intersection there, and if you cut down that way at the intersection,
Yeah.
you go about 10 miles, the pavement will end.
Yeah.
And just past the pavement down the dirt road, there's some good camp spots.
Some shaded spot there?
Down there, yeah.
Alright. Check that out.
Yeah, I'm 20 miles east.
Thanks. There they go. So in yesterday's video you saw me buying these 4x4 sections. The guy was chainsawing them. Anyways, this is my toilet out in the woods. So not to go into too much detail, but I have to have something that I can sit on where I'm exposed underneath. And it's got to hold all my weight because I'm using my hands. So yeah, it's kind of my way of squatting out in the woods. And it's probably more bulky and way more space consuming than a better design. Probably be a lot less space consuming, but it's better than having to carry, you know, like any type of commode or toilet that I could carry out here is weak and it's gonna be fumbling around. So this is a lot more sturdy. This is like sitting on a real porcelain toilet, even though it's made out of wood. And so I'm gonna work on it. It's a little bit more wood than I need right now probably, so I'll get the angles down and figure out what's comfortable for me, or get the lengths down, and then cut it up some more, and hopefully I have 6 little blocks of wood that I stack up every day in camp and use as my restroom. And if that fails, I got some campfire wood. So here's the creek we're camping by in the morning with the sun behind us. So here we are in the back office of a United States Postal Service, trying to upload today's video. The postmaster was awfully nice and let me try to connect to the internet. We'll see if it picks it up. Alright, we are at our campsite for Friday. I think it's the 13th or the 14th. This is what it looks like. You just start doing some pictures in these videos. There's the Jeep. My face again. It's awfully nice. Right there in the brown crate is the pantry with all my dried foods and canned foods. In the yellow crate is all my kitchen supplies. Then there's the water. It's probably getting some shade. The cooler's in the car still, and my bedding and all that. One of these days when it's organized better, I'll show you exactly how I sleep and climb in there at night. These are the petroglyphs. They're the geyser petroglyphs. Somewhere I read online that this is supposedly 12,000 years old. Who knows about that? I'd put them at maybe 4,000, 5,000, 6,000 early Native American. But not even Native American, maybe the guys that came up across the Bering Strait. They're way down into South America. This was one of their stops along the way. Who knows? We made it to the lake. And unfortunately, I don't think I'm going to let Nora go in the water because it looks real old and real stagnant, and I don't need a sick dog on my hands. There's a long trek down here from the Jeep way over there. See the Jeep? There's the Jeep. Almost got stuck in the mud. That's where I crossed over to that patch